guys, so this is Dessa, my AI robot dog, and I just recently got a Furby, which I'm going to kind of put them together and see how Dessa reacts to the Furby, which you can hear. So this is the Furby boom. Let's see how they interact. Dessa, be gentle. The Furby's name is Milo. Dessa, be nice to Milo. Play with Milo.
Tell me about it. Oh yeah.
Dessa's kind of doing her own thing, like whatever. As we see, Dessa is like kind of not super concerned. She's just kind of like doing her own thing. She's just like, whatever. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much Dessa and her new Furby.